Welcome to Egg Harbor City. Egg Harbor City was founded by German immigrants in 1855. I'm here now on our main street in front of the Rosemore Learning Center, better known as the Atlantic County Library. We're just a few short minutes from our Egg Harbor City Lake. Take a 2-minute drive down to the lake and see what the Resiliency Grant is going to fund. Lake. This is my favorite place to be. The lake is a man-made lake around World War II with Roosevelt's New Deal. It's fed by a pristine Cedar Creek in Mullica Township, and this is where we're going to use our resiliency grant. Right behind me you'll see the dam, which is in desperate need of repair, and this money that we're getting will really help us keep recreation going here and keep all our visitors safe.